Ku Masani Media olunaku olwaleero tuli wano mu Mbale Industrial Park era nga specifically tuli mu kkolero erya furniture oba ebibajje nga lino bayita S Good oba Tianao Furniture Manufacturing Company Limited ng'ekituleese be MACITA oba ekibiina ekitaba abasuubuzi mu kibuga ky'e Mbale nga bazze okulambulako ekkolero lino okulaba butya ebintu ebitambula oba oli abasobola okuba ne business opportunities abayinza okuba nga bafuna okuva mu kkolero lino. Katiekampuni eno ekola entebe, ebitanda, bedside drawers n'ebintu ebirala by'omulembe, center tables, ate nga beekwera ku bbeeyi ekyasinza okubeera eya wansi ennyo n'okusinga abo ababikolera n'okusinga abo abasuubuzi baffe aba bulijjo. So kati olunaku olwaleero abasuubuzi bazze okulaba butya opportunities basobola okufuna okuva mu kifo kino era nga MACITA tanse kafeewayo okulaba nti batalaaga industrial park eno okusobola okuba nti oba oliawo bafuna business opportunities ez'enjawulo n'okufuna enkolagana ey'omuggundu wakati w'abasuubuzi nga bo awamu n'industrial park okulaba nti abantu baabwe basobola okujjanga muno okuba nti babaako be bafuna okuva mu kifo kino. Kati tugenda kuba tukulambuza n'okuba ntukulaga biki ebikolebwa muno n'abakulembeze abazze aba industrial park awamu n'ababasuubuzi ki kye boogera ku biki ebiri wano.
On the product, it's different kinds of wood. So when we're finished, maybe we'll go down. You see the whole production line, the materials, the wood, how we do everything step by step. Yes, that's what she's trying to explain. Yes. When they bring the catalogs, you're going to see different kinds of materials, different kinds of designs. When you place an order, you choose accordingly. The color you want, the material you want, the design you want, accordingly. It can be made. We give you a quotation after that. That's how we work it out.
Standards. Is there like a criteria which you use for determining the quality of wood you want?
Yes, we have a criteria.
Give us a list of that criteria.
Oh, the catalogs are here. Eh? Pangeho you got? Yeah, these are the catalogs. Maybe you can have a look. You can have a look at the catalog. Here you go. So most, like you can see, most of them, these are leather. But if you want it in cloth. Okay. For now, this is what we have, but this is not all the criteria of designs. We also have different designs that are going to be sent over. You see, this chair was around, they took it recently. We have this one, but this is leather. The other one is in green cloth, as you can see. It's different. There is this one is that one behind there. All personalizable, depending on how you want it to be done. This one here is the other one, the other brown one, that side. Then for beds, we want to make... Oh, this one is the grey one here behind. This one is the grey one here behind. Then this one is this side. But if you see the other one, you green. Wash together. Now you're green and then you're brown. I tell you, you're leather. Wash your body. This one is that one, the pure leather one, the black one there. Oh, okay. This one we have it in black. Walinga wakayingira. Yeah, it's also there. So you will take your time. This one is the one that is here. Yes, but these are all leather. These are all leather. This one is also leather. Huh? This one is also leather. There is leather.
My sitting room.
You want to
because my sitting room is little bit not
wide, but it is long. It's fixed. Okay. For this one, it has a recliner, right? She says if you also want all of them to be reclining, it's possible. So you just quote, and if you want to add another piece, you just add anything. Because they just connect it from down. Yes, I'll personally do that. Yeah, Sky Pharmacy, yes. I'll come there and then we try to...
Now you come to his press and he take you and you see.
Because even Centenary, even the hotels, all of them is me who goes, we give the space, then she can help you design accordingly. Okay. So she was saying earlier on, because this is a recliner, you can have a seat. You can have a seat. This is an automatic recliner. It doesn't use electricity. You just pull it here like this.
Okay.
You see? That is how it is. Then even this can go all the way down if you want to lay it, flat. So this one doesn't use electricity. To push it, you just push it back down.
That is good.
And then it clicks. Yeah, there's the one that uses electricity as well. Let's go try see the other one. Because this is a very good price. All of this is 4.3 million. In Kampala, these things go for 10 million, 12 million. Isn't that right? This is 4.3 million. Tasha, my nigga, you there.
Because mine is
Yeah, I told you 3.5, 3.824. Some that's 3.850.
你到凯贝拉商场买的话，要贵100价钱，乘以2。
This one here in Kampala, from the market statistics, this same type of sofa goes for around 12 million plus. 12 million plus. This is a 7.
我们厂家是出厂给凯贝拉的商铺批发给商铺的，他们卖的话要翻一番价格。
Okay, because even in Kampala, he supplies them materials as Ngoye. He has a factory also, Ekola Materials. So when they did the market survey, this chair is going for a very high price. So if you're getting it here, it's going to be way cheaper.
Yeah, if I want
Quantity purchase, like.
Can I buy one set if I want?
You can buy one set, but we were trying to avoid this to not to affect market fluctuation, because the price I'm going to sell to you is not the same price I'm going to sell my big client who's buying 50 sets, but we're allowed to buy one set. It's okay. If you place an order, you choose like this. You can also choose the color you want, the material you want. After that, we make for you. We tell you we're going to make it maybe 2 days, 3 days. We make for you. You come, then you can take it. We also do packaging, as you've seen outside. We package for you accordingly. If it's in Mbale, it's easy. If you're buying in Mbale, it's easy. Yeah. We can discuss. If you want 1, 2, 3, it's all good. Yeah. Nkugamba kafiriji oba oyagadde naye bakuteeramu munda wano oba oyagala bakuteeramu munda onena bluetooth speaker on esimu oba oyagala charginga like let me try with your phone. I think it has. Cheka hiyo ndiema yoma yafanida fanida
它的那个位置，它的位置要找一下。因为我手机的那个无线充电位置。
So you should remove it from the cover, eh?
No,
from the housing.
它有这个不能顶了啊。
它有这个。
对，我知道，我也找不到我那个无线充电位置在哪。
So here it has a wireless charging and cup holders, but everything changes. You see.
So you have to remove the cover.
Yeah, you have to. You can get a cover that has the provision for wireless, but also in case you don't have wireless, you can just use the normal charging. Just use the USB. You put it here and then you put it in the phone.
Yes, that one is what?
It is much more easier.
Okay.
Yeah, that one is much easier. Then the Bluetooth speakers, I think I've explained that.
Yes,
all personalizable. All personalizable. How you want it to be done is all personalizable. Yeah. She's asking for your opinion. Do you think people will like this, the one with the Bluetooth speaker? Do you like? Yes. Because sometimes you can have maybe these people who have like different floors in the house. Maybe yagala kubera waggulu. Ukitegera mukifo ky'okulinda ate speakers za wansi you can just have this. Yes, obera mutebeyo noteekako speaker. Ukitegera kati abagala ne fridge basobola okuteeramu ka fridge mu kifo ky'okutambula paka wansi.
Water affect that speaker.
Water?
Yes.
Anything electric is affected by water. Yes.
Now you are saying putting there a fridge.
No, with the fridge it won't. That is a system if it's supposed to be done. The system, it can be affected. Okay. You understand? They'll do, of course, bakuterayo emabega nga kakopo, amini kagundi. Okajjayo kasita buno buzo obutonya kasamusinazi gagenda. Kabera mabega. It's a whole set. Mukatalogo jakalaba. We'll see and then we'll see how it works out. So this is it. I don't know which ones you guys have liked. There's also that big one there. Hey, Neo, check it.
12的是吧？
前一二，对。
他们说就这个吧，因为到时候批发的那个人啊。
对。Okay, one. So for this set minus the draws, it goes for around 1.5. Minus the draws, yes. The draws go for Jaga my Tosha 200. This one go 200. Push it 200. 21. Sibai.
对呀，这个。
Sibai. Oh, this one goes for 200 each. The draw. 200,000 each. You see how it is? This is the finish. You can come for it only. We can't refuse to give you. You understand? Then this it has a zip. We'll remove this one. Yeah. This one you can remove if you want accordingly. Or anything you can remove it for this particular bed. You understand? Yeah, and also if you want to change like the material over time, if you see the color is different or something, you can also contact us and we can change for you.
What the pricing for this?
This is 1.5 million. This is this 6x6, 5x6? This is 5x6, yes, 1.5. 1.5. We make 5x6 and 6x6. For 4x6 we don't have, but if you have an order, we can make for you 4x6. Let's go and ask. Let's go for this one.
We'll talk about the center tables.
The center tables, yes. How Tegana? Yanda, still the same price. 1.5. 1.5. And you see for it, it's minus the drawers, of course. Each drawer goes for 200,000. That's what you should know. So if you want both drawers, that's 400,000 for the drawers. Same. You see? Wood finishing, leather top. Wood finishing, leather top. Same. You see? All drawers go for 200,000. So meaning if you're buying a whole set, let's say this one 1.5 plus 2 drawers, that's plus 400,000, 1.9 for everything. You can contact. You can contact either online or coming here, whatever you prefer. Most times people who order from here, they take in big quantities. So we have to inform us earlier on. Even though you pay half, it's okay. So we can give you the duration of how long we can make the order for you. If you want like 20 sets of beds, we can tell you maybe it will take us 3-4 days to do the whole set. Then you pay half. After it's done, you can pay the balance accordingly. Yeah. You also personalize. On a retail level, you need to pay cash, yes. But it's still, you can pay half. When you're ready, you come for the rest. Yeah. Center tables. At the moment, So center tables are all defined prices, but this one specifically is 1 million. We have a graphite top, wood inside, and also wood on this side here. Very little plastic is here. Let's have a look at this one. This one is better. Up. Here. All these are storage compartments. So if you want, you can keep them inside. If you have a lot of stuff, you can put this outside as well. It complements the whole space that you have. Then on the side, it also has this wood, and also the other side, it has one that comes out. Wooden as well. Wooden finishing. This one goes for around 1.250. 1.250. The other one is the one that goes for 1 million. But these are complementary things. Why we majorly got this is first and foremost showroom purposes. Second of all is for clients that buy in big quantities. We usually give this as a bonus, but we don't make draws. So with time, I don't think they'll be available. We don't make these. So these are all shipped inside. We make the sofas and the beds. That's the main furniture deal. These are shipped, yeah. So for clients that usually take a lot, we give them this as bonuses. We can give them like 3-4 sets, depending on how much they buy. Yes. So the more you spend, you can get this for free. It's a bonus gift. Yes, but if you want to buy 1.250, the other one is 1 million on the dot. All of them differ because there's also the TV stands, the coffee tables that are all together that come in pairs, depending.
So what if I make an order for
this? Is 1.250. If you make an order for specifically this, I can give it to you, but order quick because zigena kugwao. Within 1 month, people are going to take everything. The next time you come here, the ones that will be here will be specifically for display. Yeah, but for now there's an offer you can buy. Yeah. Any questions? You can let me know.
How are you finding the market?
Since we've just begun, we've been here, I've told you earlier on, we've been here working for about 2 months, so we've just started entering the market. You understand? We haven't yet gotten good contact with the big clients. We only have big suppliers in Kampala that are taking. The market is good, but our main aim is to expand. Because this company was initially in China, the boss that was the old man you've met here, he moved all of it here. So he wants to go Africa. From here, Uganda, he wants to go Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, Nigeria, basically everywhere all around Africa. So Uganda is now just our landing spot, but the aim is to expand. Yes, want to supply, expand. The quality that we bring, you know, China actually makes different things, qualities. So what they send here is not what they send in the US. He has been supplying US and Russia for the past years. These products have been going to US and Russia. These materials are very hard to find in Uganda. And in Kampala, he's the one who supplies most of the sofa companies that buy materials. So with time, we're just looking to expand the market. For now, I cannot be specific about how we have found the market. Yes. I'm called Bikala Hashim. Today we're here in Mbale, Industrial Park, Uganda, at Tianao Manufacturing Company. It is a new company. We've been in production of furniture, sofa sets, and all kinds of furnishings. We do furnishing for houses, we do furnishing for hotels, furnishing for homes, furnishing for what else? Schools, everything that it needs furnishing. Our company has been around for quite some time, but production has been in process for 2 months. At the moment, we have, as you can see, some samples of furniture here. We also have catalogs, very many different designs. We also do personalize accordingly. For clients that want furniture to be done in a different material, in a different color, we also do it accordingly. It is a new company, it's a Chinese company. It has come to Uganda to deal in Uganda. Our raw materials are also bought in Uganda. All the foam, the wooden materials are all bought in Uganda to support the local businesses as well. Before, the company that was based in China, and they were supplying countries like the US, Russia, Italy, and Germany. But now we want to expand in Uganda. You're very welcome to have a visit with us. Please contact us on the available numbers, and we're welcome. Thank you. We've just had the Mbale Business Community visit us today. They've really appreciated our furniture. They love our showroom, although they preferred that we would have a showroom in Mbale town, but we are big suppliers. We don't want to get involved in a display room in town. They've loved the furniture. We are hoping to hear from them. I hope we keep in contact, and in case of future opportunities, we are willing to do business with them.
Tulabye wano tulabyeko ebintu birungi nnyo ate tuli basanyufu nti abasuubuzi batandise kuyingirako mu Industrial Park wakuba kiba kya buswavu nnyo kulaba abantu ab'e Kampala ne bajja ne bakima ebintu wano ate nga abasuubuzi b'e Mbale bali wano waliwo ebintu ebiri chiipu bye bandibadde basuubula direct from the factory naye tebalina accessibility. Kale tuli basanyufu nnyo okulaba nti batuyise okulaba kiki kye bakola ate tubeere direct customers. Ndowooza ekyo ekintu kirungi nnyo, tetukyaddamu naafe okusuubula ebintu bino ku bantu abalala. Tujja kuba tujja mu Industrial Park etubikima direct, era tukyasaba Industrial Park etuweeyo chances kulaba ngu buli sector abasuubuzi bajja ne balambuula. Waliwo sector, waliwo aba manufacturing phones, waliwo sector ya mattresses, waliwo sector ya bed covers. We need to enter all those sectors kulaba nti abasuubuzi bafuna direct contact. Ndowooza awo kijja kuba kirungi nnyo n'emiwendo ejja kubeera wansi wakuba osanga ebintu bino biva wano bigenda Kampala tebikomawo Mbale. Kale nti twagala kulaba nti banambaale baganyirwamu wakuba ffe ba host ffe bananyini tenosanga ebintu ate tubijja wabwe tubijje Kampala ate bijja mu Mbale kijja kuba kibi nnyo. So tuli basanyufu nnyo era ndowooza kino kye tutandise tunambule sectors zonna ez'amasimu ezikola buli kimu kyonna kulanga abasuubuzi babeera direct.
Okay, my name is Evans Martin Nakoko. I'm the Chief Manager under Commercial Banking Centenary Bank, and I'm here with Annette, our manager for Mbale. I have observed a construction of an ecosystem, an opportunity for us to be able to partner with you, especially the traders in Mbale, and also the factory that we've been able to visit. We are in the business of providing finance for especially SMEs, and this is the category, traders, and so we are happy to participate in this to be able to celebrate but also provide you with the necessary financial services that you would require in terms of working capital, in terms of everything that you desire. So we are happy to be here and we think this is a good opportunity and we wish you well.
Kama sina Annette Nanderenga, nambanga branch manager Mbale. Shalelo kwasangale na bihubano kwabona ebintu bira ebiri kukoleha mu Mbale. Arifenga financial institution kwasangale ku partneringa ni bale bebano ku finance nga byesi bakola. Akaba bali kukula nabo iba opportunity indai bakwitse nga sibalabire ni lipese li redita kwaba financing betsa bakula akola bibindi ebi. Sina sindu sila ina bisu kukola muzisinza chef arifenga business persons kuli basangafu kona ila imbo kaina kulanga ba customer boss beba bandu aba abali kukana financing bakwitse.
Masina gase bananga na muno Beatrice and umukozi wa Mbale City Council era itambanga senior commercial officer wemu industrial state division. Kisokera ddala ndu musanyufu nabi kubona ati nezere mu industrial park yefe Mbale kubona binanu bibikolewa mu industrial park eno china. Nga kwezere abakwaganire bulayi era bakwira mu showroom yawe kukogesa bitu byesi baberenga bamala kukubikolako kale mumuli zitebe zimeza bitanda bibiri byegumulembe nabi byesi kutela kuduya mu mahoteli ge hangaji nabi nga kwidwirenga ninano china mu factory ye Mbale babikoleramo. Mbale kitegeza kiti kisokera ddala aliwe kulakulana ili mu kitimba kyefe ky'Embale. Kindi kiriti basubuzi befe b'Embale banasobolesa kubanga bafuna bitu bye kutunda nga babyamisa kupi atinga babyamisire kupi kimayisa kiti banabanga bakendeza ko miwendo je kuzanga baleta bitu kwa maale kwame Kampala yena babidwira no kupi babanga babigulisa esi batu befe b'Embale. Yes.
Amanya Dedozi Swayman Chonoka, Chairman Mbale City Traders Association. Ekirungi kyensanze wano nti ebibadde bitusumbuwa nga fa abasuubuzi ebibadde bitusumbuwa okugenda China tumaze okubinogera President amaze okubinogera eddagala babituleetedde wano kati obwetaavu bwaffe bwonna tulina kukola nnyo kulaba tutandika kusuubulira wano kuba tuwadde n'advantage egamba bajja kutuguza ebintu bino ku miwendo gyonna naye nga batuguza mu bungi kasa tuba n'ensimbi ezigula mu bungi bagenda kutubiguza naffe tusobole okubiteeka ebweru tubitunde. Eya advantage y'amaanyi nnyo ebadde tusumbuwa ogenda ebweru ogenda China ogenda okuleeta entebe okuleeta biki ebyo ebisinga obungi tugenda kwefunira nga wano ekyo kyabugagga kye tufunye eri factory ey'Entebbe ate tusanzemu n'entebe ze tubadde tusuubira nti tezijja kuba wano ez'amaliba amalungi gennyini ne tusangamu n'amaliba namba 2 naye nga era nago malungi naye nga oyita kuwulidde gali namba 2 tuyinza kukitegeera kitusanyusizza nnyo ayina kutegeera ebirimu nakufuna advantage okulaba ku bintu byetukolera okuva dda ku maliba okuva ku sponge biki byonna bena kubirabira ddala n'enkola yaabwe gye bakolamu kino kubadde kutandika tugenda kutandika okukebera amakolero gonna tulabe tufune n'obwagenti okubeera nti tetugenda Kampala tulina okugulana ebintu ebyo enfuna yaffe n'aba erinawo kyefunyeemu kubanga eyandibadde transport etutwalire Kampala accident eziba mu makubo omwo buli kimu kiba tusanga mu makubo tuba tukiwonye.
Amanya gange John wa Murugwa commonly batekako ne Francis specifying because there are so many Johns. We are working with the Generous Trading and Investment Limited to supplying building materials, and we are also associated with the Mbale City Property Owners Association. I want soko kwebaza MACITA naffe okutuwa omukisa okuba kampani nga wano tulabe ku bintu ebikolebwa wano tulabe furniture enungi ey'engeri zonna entebe ebitanda batupromisinze nti naye bagenda kukola ebintu ebirala nga enzigi and other furnitures, but we also came to learn. And basically ebisinga obungi banange bebalabyeko bafunye nenge njagala ku concentrating ku kyenzije ku byenzi what I have learned from these people. What I have learned ekisooka is being cost effective mu buli kyabakola. Kuba planning yaabwe buli kyabakola abakozesa machinery, not only manual labor. Manual labor is professional, naye machinery gye bakozesa okusinga obungi okwanguya okukola mass production in a very short time. Ekyokubiri, I was looking at the whole store, what we call the warehouse. The warehouse, ffe tumanyiridde amasitore aga concrete. Naye bw'otunula ku warehouse yaabwe yonna eri pure steel formwork and steel coverage, which makes it very, very cost effective and not very tekyetaaga na buzito. Kubanga we tuli wano wali soft ground, but the structure eriwo it can afford even having gundi in a very cheap way. Once tukola wagulu ku offices ye display. I've also liked the smartness. Most people think that workshops ziteka kubeera date, and in most cases wagenda mu workshop ezaffe zino eza bulijjo osanga workshop eri very date. Naye wano olaba tuli kutambula nga tetwetaaga n'angaato because the place is very smart, which is something that we should copy. We know nga Ugandans or maybe abantu ab'Embale tukyali ne challenges okutuuka mu kintu kino, but our focus now should start looking at how can we maybe become productive, because if every Mugisu had a productive line nakola akantu kali simple nakatunda, we would be having some earning. We should not look at agriculture alone. Kubanga agriculture, it has its own challenges. We should also start thinking about how can we get into other things that can make us money. The government is mainly concentrating on what we call value addition. Twagala kati tutunule mu bintu byaffe bye tulima bino how cheap can we turn to them into finished product, so that we do it a value addition. Because basically here, they are just adding value. Because the same hours are fair, and they just would put value in the market. Nafe to be encouraged okulaba nti ebintu byaffe byetulina kakati nga emwanyi, amatoke, bogoya n'ebyo byonna tulabe engeri gye tuyinza okubikyusamu okuwaddinga mu value. Kubanga nze kyempiseemu, you just make a simple house like this one. Notandika okubeera nti oteekamu machinery no producing oba biscuits oba biki that kind of thing. Kwegamba relationship ejja kubeerawo in a manner that we are now becoming a production center. Abantu bwe bajja wano okwagala okugula wano nafe abantu ababulijjo tu benefiting ab'ennyumba, ab'amaduuka, abakifeena tukola ki tubamala ekintu. Kakati tuvudde wano nga tulina na contacts. Kakati nagwe oyinza okufuna omuno ayagala ekintu nogamba for such and such a thing, please come and we get them here. We have been discussing from which point can we also benefit, and we have discussed all that.